recipe calls for about 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup going in the batter. So now we've got our peaches and a cup of sugar. You know what? I don't even think I want to put a whole cup on this because I'm not using, I didn't do the whole, what the hell. And then it said a cup of water, right? Let's check it. Mix my sugar and my flour in there, because I'm going to have a hell of a time with this. Look at the flour going everywhere. Serious stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Okay? Go look at the video. Probably one of the shortest videos I've ever done. I'm even making this one too long. So let's go in. Ooh. Wait. We gotta find a dish. We gotta find us a serving dish. Yesterday, you know, we did the chocolate pudding. So now we're just gonna go in. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Like they, you know, the cooks and the chefs and all that, try to act like they doing all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna be side-eyeing peach cobbler from now on. Like, why your peaches uniform? Because my peaches, you know, didn't come out like that. I'm just saying, but they're gonna be good though. All right, like really, my peaches ain't pretty at all. I cut these bad boys. Look at that. I cut these bad boys. They, you know. And that smells so good. Oh, my God.